software runs on code. But the code is flawed. Justice, prudence, fortitude, concord. The modern virtues will be tested. The call for accountability begins now.
Hello guys, salamat for joining. Did you see the news about the AI audit initiative? Ang dami nang na-flag na system, pati yung mga legitimate beneficiaries ng social service na cut off. I'm worried.
That's the problem. The AI is too efficient sa pag-flag, pero zero ang compassion. It's an AI judge for our social safety net. Sure, it stops the fraud, pero yung lack of human review violates the right to due process. It makes the state complicit to the error.
Exactly, Mira. We can let fear of fraud paralyze our ability to help people. Sino talaga magde-decide sa corporation ng AI na yan? Paano natin lalabatan yung system error na nakasira sa buhay?
Guys, chill lang. Hindi natin pwedeng scrap ang AI totally. It does increase efficiency against massive corruption. What if we use it as a filter lang? Hindi judge. AI ang maghahanap ng high risk cases. Pero human reviewer pa rin ang final. Accountable decision.
Maganda yung filter concept, Leo. It addresses the ethical value. My concern is the black box position. If the audit criteria isn't transparent, paano natin ma-assure yung fairness for the beneficiaries? Dapat may accountability, hindi lang puro bills ng cut-off.
Transparency is the foundation. Prudence reminds us. Tignan natin ang long game. We have to foresee na yung data natin puno ng historical bias. If we rush this system, we will just create an algorithm na lalo magpapahirap sa mga mahihirap. Kasi yun lang ang nasa data. Kailangan ng wisdom, not just speed.
Pero Anton, the corporation pushing this will probably argue na masyadong mabigat sa budget ang human review. The moment we propose mandatory checkpoints, they will say we're halting the process and wasting resources. How do we fight that?
That's where we make the ethical case a resource case. We argue that the cost of system error is higher than the cost of human review. Think of the legal fees, the public distrust, and the social backlash. Human review is an investment in social stability.
I agree with Leo. We can frame the required human review as an ethical validator layer. We shouldn't need a full audit on every single case, only on those flagged by AI. That's efficiency. But those flags must have human sign-off before aid is terminated.
That makes sense. We are using AI to increase speed in identifying potential issues, while our system, our governance, uses human wisdom to verify the truth. It's a risk mitigation strategy.
Then tayo ang magiging force na magpupush for safeguards. We need to demand mandatory human review checkpoints before deployment. It takes courage to challenge the giants pushing this, pero dapat maging matapang tayo for the sake of people being denied of aid.
I agree. We need to be unified. Gumawa tayo ng counter-proposal na nagpa-prioritize ng digital harmony. Efficiency through AI for identification. Balanced by human accountability for validation. I'll start a shared document for us.
That's good, Leo. Huwag nating i-reject yung tool. Pero we must guide it with foresight.
Sige, send it over. Kailangan natin siguraduhin na hindi sila maagrabyado.
Alright, ready ako dyan. Let's do this.
Efficiency, accountability, harmony, good governance, Philippines.